The legal disclaimer ensures transparency about recipe sources and viewer responsibility. Crispy fried shallots, known in Vietnamese as Hành Phi, are the unsung heroes of the Vietnamese kitchen. These golden, crunchy allium strands are scattered over soups, salads, stir-fries, and noodle dishes, adding a savory depth and irresistible crunch that elevates even the simplest bowl of rice. In professional kitchens across Southeast Asia, fried shallots are treated as a precious commodity. Cooks stash secret backup containers of them, and running out mid-service is simply not an option. The technique is deceptively simple. Shallots sliced uniformly thin are gently fried in oil until pale golden, but mastering the timing is everything. The shallots must be pulled from the oil the moment they reach a light golden hue, because carryover cooking will deepen the color and flavor after they leave the pan. Starting them in cold oil guarantees even caramelization throughout every ring, and never walking away from the stove in those final critical minutes is the difference between golden perfection and bitter failure. The leftover shallot-infused oil is itself a treasured condiment perfect for drizzling over salads, stir-fries, and rice. Main ingredients: shallots, thinly sliced, 6 shallots. Vegetable oil, 4 tablespoons or about 1 1/4 cup, 300 milliliters to submerge. Seasoning: kosher salt, 1/4 teaspoon. Equipment: mandolin slicer as desired. Heavy bottom saucepan or wok as desired. Fine mesh strainer as desired. Heat-proof bowl as desired. Paper towels as desired. Airtight storage jar as desired. Here are the written ingredient list. Preparation steps: New 1. Slice the shallots, peel the shallots, and slice them as thinly and uniformly as possible, ideally using a mandolin slicer set to the thickness of 2 credit cards pressed together. Uniform thickness is essential so that all the shallot rings cook at the same rate and crisp up evenly rather than some burning while others remain soggy. 2. Separate the rings. Use your fingers to gently separate the sliced shallot rounds into individual rings. This prevents them from clumping together in the oil and ensures each ring fries independently for maximum crispness. Set up the frying station. Before turning on any heat, prepare your station, line a rimmed baking sheet or large plate with several layers of paper towels, have kosher salt ready, and set a fine mesh strainer inside a heat-proof bowl. Once the shallots start frying, everything happens very quickly and you will not have time to gather equipment. Cooking steps. Cold oil method. 1. Start in cold oil, place the sliced shallots in a heavy-bottomed saucepan and pour in enough vegetable oil to submerge them. Stir well to separate the rings before applying any heat. Starting the shallots in cold oil guarantees that every ring is perfectly caramelized throughout, as the gradual temperature rise allows moisture to escape slowly and evenly. 2. Cook over medium. Low heat, set the pan over medium-low heat. Cook, stirring often with a fork to encourage the rings to separate, for 20 to 25 minutes. The oil will bubble steadily as the moisture cooks out of the shallots. Watch closely when the bubbles begin to slow, it signals that the water has been driven out and is being replaced by oil. 3. Watch for pale golden color. The shallots will first turn a very light, straw-colored yellow, then gradually deepen to pale golden. This is the critical moment. Remove the pan from the heat immediately. When the shallots are pale golden, they will continue to darken from carryover cooking even after leaving the oil. If you wait until they look fully golden in the pan, they will be burnt by the time they cool. 4. Drain the shallots. Pour the contents of the pan through the fine mesh strainer set over the heat-proof bowl, separating the shallots from the hot oil. Spread the shallots out in an even layer on the paper towel-lined baking sheet so they are not piled on top of each other. 5. Season immediately. Sprinkle the shallots with kosher salt while they are still hot so the salt adheres to the surface. Gently blot them dry with additional paper towels, being careful not to crush them into crumbs. Cool and store. Allow the shallots to cool completely, then transfer them to an airtight jar or container. Store at room temperature for up to several weeks. Line the container with a paper towel to absorb residual oil and maintain crispness. Save the shallot-infused oil. Once cooled, it is a flavorful condiment for salads, stir-fries, and rice dishes. Quick method. For a faster approach, the Vietnamese Cooking Made Easy cookbook offers this streamlined method. Heat 4 tablespoons of oil in a wok or skillet over medium heat and stir. Fry the thinly sliced shallots for 2 to 3 minutes until golden brown and crispy. Remove from the pan and drain on paper towels. Transfer immediately to a sealed jar to retain crispness. This method is quicker but requires closer attention as the smaller volume of oil means the shallots can go from golden to burnt very rapidly.